This area here is 64. You got this correct. 8 times 8 equals to 64. So here is 8 meter, 8 meter. So I just want to find out what's the perimeter of the concrete path. Perimeter of the concrete path, which is this portion here. Correct? Am I right to say that? What I do is, whenever I add one portion, I write down, I highlight it. So I first type 4 over 5, add this portion, right? I highlight it. This portion is 8. So I'm going to do my add 8. Add this portion here, 4 over 5. 4 over 5. Add each portion now. This portion here is 8. Add 4 over 5. So I immediately go and write 8. Add 4 over 5. So and then add this portion. Here is 4 over 5. Add 4 over 5. Okay. And then this portion here is 8. Add 8. Then add this portion here. Add 8. Okay. It's not very confusing, right? But if once I highlight finish, I know that I have add all finished. So now what I need to do is what? To do the addition. Since everything is add, and I have 8 and 4 over 5, so I group them all together. I group all the 8. How many 8? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 8 times 4, add. Here is times, so remember to do this. So how many 4 over 5 I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Also 4. So add 4 over 5 times 4. Okay? Remember your order, operation order. When there's add and times, I must do times first. So here is what? 32. Then here is actually 16 over 5. 32 add 16 divided by 5. You can use the calculator for this section. But then you can easily calculate by yourself also. 3 over 2. So total is meter. That's all. So a school have 48 classes. Aim to collect 1000 kg of empty cans and plastic bottles. Okay? What is the mass of empty cans and plastic bottles to be collected by each class in 1 month? So you want to know each class in 1 month. I have 48 classes. Okay? 48 classes. Collect 1000 kg. So 1 year, here is in 1 year, correct? I should highlight this. In 1 year. So I need to collect 1000 kg. Okay? So, but it's asking 1 month, each class need to collect how many? So for 48 classes altogether, 1 year I need to collect 1000 kgs. Okay? So 1 year equals to what? 12 months. Equals to 1000 kg. If 1 month, I need to collect how many? So, how to do this kind of thing? That's what I said, right? Here to here is times. Here to here, divide. Okay? So it's what? 1000 times 1 divided by 12. So 1 month they need to collect about 83.3 kg. This is what? This is for the 48 classes every month. Per month, okay? Per month. But the question is asking each class. That means 1 class. So, okay, 48 classes per month is 83.3 kg per month. Okay? So each class is equals to how many? If 1 class, as usual, you do this. Over here is times. Over here is divide. So it's 1 times 83.3 divided by 48 classes. So you will have a decimal place. Please do your, if you were to use a calculator, you will see a decimal place, 1.7, 36 blah 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 kg. Okay, but what I'm asking for, what is this question? Express your answer in a decimal, round to the nearest tenth, to the nearest hundredth. Okay, you may be a bit confused. We know that the normal one is what? If I were to draw this place number, right? Place value number 1. Then here is what? 10. Correct? Then 100. But then here is the decimal place. Decimal place is, that means is this, the number here is smaller than 1. I know my place value here is 1. This number 1 at 1 place value. Correct? So I hear 1. Decimal place will be here already. Okay? Here is a decimal place already. So as usual, after 1 is what? 10th, 100. Correct? 10th, 100, thousands. Okay, so I will just put my number here. 736. I want what? To the nearest hundredth. To nearest hundred, that means I'm looking at this. Anything beyond this, I'm not interested unless it's more than, unless this is more than 5. Yes, and this is more than 5. If this is more than 5, then this one over here, I have to draw it. Because this is more than 5, right? This one, I have to put it become 4. So, what is, when I round off is 1 point, equals to 1.74 kg to the nearest hundredth. Okay? Okay, for this question, you see the base is here, right? So, what you do is you put your ruler in this area. Just on this base, and then most probably the ruler will stretch into here. Okay? Then you put your triangle here. You have those triangle figures, right? And then you move along this ruler. Then you can see that over this point, you will do like that. Okay. So this is how you can find the height in relation to the given base. Okay?